Welcome back on into Fox 43 AM Live. I have Miss Fatima here and Mr. Rhett, and you guys are here to tell me all about the Forgefest rooftop party. What in the world's going on next Friday, guys?
Yeah, so Forgefest is Forge's largest event of the year.
Yeah.
We've been doing it for several years now, and this year we kind of changed things up and wanted to take it to the rooftop. We've never seen that in Topeka before, so
yeah.
We just want to celebrate with other young professionals in the community, show off some of our attractions and small businesses to the new students in town, and so yeah, it's just going to be a good time.
Sounds a lot more exciting than ostriches, like I said earlier. This is a lot more exciting. I want to go to a rooftop party. So tell me what you guys really do at Forge Young Talent, too, for anyone that might not know. What is kind of like y'all's mission, your essence?
Yeah, so at Forge, we're a group of young professionals between 18 to 40, and we do a variety of things. We do professional development, philanthropic work, volunteerism, and just really providing a place where young talent wants to live, play, and work. And so with this rooftop party, we're bringing a new environment. Our team's been working really hard in being innovative and creative and making sure that we're providing a diverse group of vendors and activities just so that people, instead of going outside of our community, they stay inside and they look forward to these events for years to come.
Yeah, what kind of events and what kind of activities can they expect to see at the rooftop event?
So we'll have a DJ, a live band, beer gardens by the Tea Box. We'll have cocktails and mocktails by Soliloquy. We have food by the Burger Bus. We'll have some yard games, and then we'll just be hanging out, having fun, enjoying some good weather next week, hopefully.
Hopefully, I'll put in a good word.
Right, and then it's the best views in town, so we're right next to the Capitol. You can see downtown, so it's just going to be beautiful.
And so can really there's probably people out there that aren't a part of Forge that are hearing about this and really want to get involved. Are people allowed to just kind of show up and come and go as they please, or do you have to be a part of, a part of you all's group?
No, you don't have to be a Forge member to attend. We are going to ask you to register when you're there, though.
Of course, yes.
But we do have a limited capacity since it's the rooftop, so we are asking people to register just so we can kind of keep a track on how many people are going to be there. So yeah. Yeah.
So this is primarily this is a great, I feel like, networking opportunity too for a lot of those young professionals. Is that part of the reason why you guys are doing this as well?
It is. With every event that we put on, especially Forgefest, we want to provide an opportunity for people to connect with new coming leaders, established leaders, professionals in all industries, and really create a community for them where they can source out, if they need help in their profession, or maybe they need connection for a committee or board that they're on. And so really it's a stepping stone too for future leaders if they're wanting to join other boards. And so, first step is going to an event, mingling with us. We love seeing new faces because it means that we're doing our job and we're providing what our community needs.
That's really exciting. I can only imagine too. And it can be really hard to get out there and meet people when you're in your 20s and your 30s. It can be hard to make friends. I don't think we realize that when it's very hard to do when you're a kid, but even harder when you're an adult. Right. And so it's also that kind of professionally, it's a great opportunity, but also personally, right? It can be a great opportunity too. Do you guys mind speaking to that as well?
Yeah, I would say before my role in Forge, I was involved, and some of my best friends came from Forge. I have my girlfriend kind of came from Forge as well, so it's a great way to meet not only professional contacts but personal contacts, and it just is a way to make Topeka a little stickier. When you have friends, you don't want to necessarily move out, and you can picture yourself living here and working here and starting a family here. So that's what we're trying to build. Very
well said. And you guys said this is the first year we're doing it on the rooftop, but in years past, how's the community received this event?
It's been received well. Last year we had a little rain on us, so that kind of was a detriment. But besides that, we've typically had it downtown somewhere. One year we've had it in front of the Capitol, and we saw several hundred people there. We've had it at the Plaza, and we saw several hundred people there as well. So we hope to see a good turnout on the rooftop and crank it up a little bit.
Yeah, it sounds like it. So give me the details one last time. When do people need to get there? Where can they go? And what time do they need to be there?
Yeah, 5:30 to 8 is the concert. Okay. It's on the Crosby Place parking garage of the 6th floor. You can either enter through the doors on Kansas Avenue and take the elevator up, or you can drive up the parking garage and park on levels 1 through 4.
Great, okay.
And then it's free to attend. We just ask that you register. So, yeah.
Of course, and people can do that, like you said, online before the event, right?
Correct.
If they go to your website?
Correct.
Perfect. And we'll have that all linked, of course, in our story that we post right after the show, and have this up online for you guys, too.
Awesome. Thank you, Katie.
Thank you.
Of course. Hey, thank you guys for coming on and speaking about this. This is a great opportunity for young people here in Topeka, so we appreciate you guys spreading the word.
Awesome.